Here's the super fast version of how to use my new Binding Boss ruler. Put it on the edge right there at the 1/4 inch and mark it with a friction pen. Sew down to the line and then over to the corner. Then flip it over, make the miter, and then stitch it down. And since you left the 1/4 inch with my new scant trimmer, you can fold that over and it fills up the binding just perfect and make a mitered corner. Here's how you attach the two ends. Fold them over, it doesn't matter where you do it, no measuring. And I use my fingernail to push it down and then use the Binding Boss, mark it with a friction pen, trim it, and then lay the top part good side up, the next part good side down, and stitch it down from one corner to the next. Trim it off with scissors, use the little roller in your finger, and no measuring at all. Stitch it down, and you have a perfect binding.